Chef Bruno, Jason here. We're excited about this awesome salad.
We've got some little gem lettuce, which is easily digestible. Kind of follows that same theme of gut health. We've got bell peppers. We're gonna roast in the wood-fired grill. We've got pine nuts, which are toasted. We've got house-made croutons with herbs, olive oil that we're gonna sprinkle on top, and then we have our Caesar dressing with our added probiotic. So we're gonna start with our little gem lettuce. We're actually going to pick it up a notch and grill it on the fire. I like to grill half because it's got some of that raw lettuce that stays crispy, and then you get the smokiness from the grilled half.
We make this in-house, and we also have a 6-strain probiotic. My favorite probiotic. Just add a little bit to the dressing, mix it up, and you're ready to start your Caesar dressing.